Hi, I am Ravi Rajput and I'm glad you took this step and now your one action can change your entire life. Here I will give you all the information about this one funnel away challenge, but before that let me introduce myself. I am an affiliate marketer and I make my 100% income with the help of internet, my laptop and with affiliate marketing. I am in this field from last 8 years and I'm glad I choose this. Now let's come on a point and let me explain what is one funnel away challenge, and after that I will show you the members area. So what is the one funnel challenge? The one funnel away challenge is a 30-day training program with daily tasks that guides you the step by step on launching your first funnel and online business. The course is provided by your three coaches, Russell Brunson, Jolie Stoyan and Stephen Larson. This training is for everyone. If you are newbie, then you can start your online business from scratch, or if you're trying to grow your any type of online business, no matter Shopify, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, e-commerce, then this training will help you to do that. In this training, you will get 30 days of video mission from Russell Bunson, 30 days of coaching from Stephen Larson and Julie Stoyan, one funnel away challenge kit, and inside this kit you will get a physical copy of a challenge workbook, mp3 player, 30 days of hardcover book, unlimited access to 30 days interviews, behind the scenes of 2 Coma Club interviews. You just have to pay little extra money to get these physical copies like a challenge workbook, mp3 players, a hardcover book, and with that you can start your challenge. First is Russell Bunson. Russell Bunson he is the co-founder of the biggest funnel and site builder called ClickFunnels, and his videos in this challenge are all about teaching you the strategy and the why behind the day's mission. Next is Julie Stoyan. Julie Stoyan is also a seven-figure entrepreneur herself and your second coach. Her videos show you how part of the training. So he goes step by step in her videos to guide you how to actually implement what Russell talked about in the previous session. And the third is Stephen Larson. He is your third coach. He conducts the live group calls and is basically your accountability coach. Stephen always full of energy and make things really fun. This is a map of entire challenge. The first week is a pre-training which will get you in the proper mindset for the reset of the challenge. Then over the next 4 weeks you will get daily lessons with the link in your inbox. Every training build upon each other, so it's very important that you go through them in order, and there is even homework to do to make sure you are applying what you learn. The one funnel hour challenge is hosted inside the Funnel Hacker Facebook community, so don't forget, must join this Facebook group. What's nice about this platform is that you get to interact directly with your fellow OFA participants. This provides another source of accountability for you to get complete each day of missions. So now I will show you the members area. So now I'm going to log in into one funnel away challenge members area. So this is the one funnel away challenge members area. He is Russell Bunson. If you don't know about him, then I most recommend to search his name on Google. You will find lot about him. This is the mission training where you will get day by day training, weekly training, daily task, mission reviews, and many more things. Here is the interviews who made more than millions with the help of ClickFunnels and the OFA challenge and in their online businesses. In this alumni area, when you will complete the challenge, you can apply for your t-shirt, and ClickFunnels will courier this printed t-shirt on your registered address. And when you will make $1,000 with the help of ClickFunnels or this OFA program, ClickFunnels will give you a 1 Comma Club award. So this training is really helpful, and if you want to start your online business and want to grow your online business, then I will most recommend to join this training from the link given below.